Hey there, this is Illy, and I have Dr. Annalyn Schooley with me once again, one of my favorite guests. Hi, Dr. Schooley.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm well. It's great to have you. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, I'm very excited about the question that you asked me as we were going through the Microskills list, which unfortunately I keep redeveloping every time we look at it. Hasn't landed yet, but then, a lot of the famous family therapists kept revising their theory as well. So not that I'm putting myself in that class, but the process is the same. But you said that you had a question about some of those. So we thought
Yes.
we'd go through and actually kind of do quick definitions and examples so that when people look at their own work, listen to it, or transcribe it out, they can use this as kind of a guide to identify what they're doing.
Yes, which is the beauty of this entire process and why I enjoy so much speaking with you about the systemic micro skills that you've developed, because it helps me get an idea. And even like as we know, language is so powerful, so a word and a concept for things that we already do, but also a word and a concept for things that we can be more intentional about and we can continue to improve. So yes, the
Yes.
goal of today is to define a section of the micro skills that you call the joining skills, correct?
Oh, and I have a new word for you that we have not
Okay.
talked about. And
Mhm.
then my new word is prosody.
Prosody.
Prosody, yes.
Prosody.
Prosody is the fancy linguistic term for voice inflection. How fast or slow, how high or low, how loud and soft, right? All those different ways that you deliver. And as you know, this is the joke goes, putting the emphasis in the wrong syllable and things like
Yes.
that, right? So the one that my colleague Jim likes to say is the difference between spare the rod, spoil the child, and spare the rod, spoil the child, right? Complete different meaning, but it's entirely based in voice inflection. That's
Mhm.
prosody.
Okay. Prosody.
Prosody.
Yes.
So everything we're going to talk about, prosody is still a part of it, right? How you deliver things, the prosody of it makes it, makes a difference in
Mhm.
and how it's heard, whether it's perceived as joining or not.